You can enhance your home decor with do-it-by-yourself wooden mirror and frame. Good morning and welcome back. I hope you people are doing so well. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching my channel. In our today's video, we are going to show you some amazing do-it-by-yourself wooden mirror and the mirror frame that you can create by yourself at home, and even you can sell it online and you can earn a handsome amount of money. So let's get started. Home decor play a crucial role in transforming a house into a warm and inviting space. Among the many elements that contribute to any aesthetically pleasing ambience, mirror hold a special place. A mirror not only serves as a functional purpose but also adds depth, light, and touch of elegance to any room. If you are looking to upgrade your home decor while embracing your creative side, consider crafting a do-it-by-yourself wooden mirror and the frame. In this video, we will explore the beauty factor of wooden mirror, discuss their potential for online sales, and guide you throughout the process of creating your own unique piece. The wooden mirror process, a timeless charm that effortlessly blends with various interior design style. They bring a touch of nature indoor, adding warmth and a sense of grounding to any room. The natural grain patterns and the texture of wood create a visually appealing or organic aesthetic. Whether you prefer a rustic farmhouse look or a sleek modern design, a wooden mirror can easily adapt and enhance the overall ambience. Crafting a wooden mirror and frame can fulfilling and rewarding experience. It's allow you to showcase your woodworking skill and creativity while adding a personal touch to your home. By choosing the type of wood finish and frame design, you can create a one-of-kind mirror that perfectly aligns with your style and your preferences. Customizing the mirror size and shape also gives you the freedom to accommodate specific space or create a focal point in room. In today's the digital age, online platforms provide an excellent opportunities for the artisans and the do-it-by-yourself enthusiasts to showcase and well their creation. Wooden mirror with their visual appeal and the versatility are in high demand among the homeowner seeking unique decor piece. Platforms like Etsy, Amazon, Handmade, and personalized websites allow you to reach a wider audience and turn your passion into a profitable venture. Utilize high quality product image and detailed description to highlight the craftsmanship and beauty of your wooden mirror, attracting potential customers. Creating your own wooden mirror and the frame involves several steps, but with patience and some basic woodworking skill, you can achieve impressive result. Here's simplified overview of the process. Decide the mirror size, shapes, and the frame design. Consider a wood type that complements your existing decor. Choose high quality wood that suits your design. Common options include oak, walnut, pine, or reclaimed wood for a rustic look. Measure and cut the wood pieces according to your desired dimensions Use appropriating tools such as meter saw, circular saw to ensure clean and precise cuts. Assemble the frame by joining the wood pieces together using wood glue, nails, or screws. Ensure the corner by properly aligned for seamlessly finishes. Sand the frame to smooth any rough edges and create a polished surface. Apply your preferred stain or finish to enhance the wood natural beauty and protect it from wear and tears. Secure the mirror onto the frame using mirror clip or adhesives. Ensure the mirror is centered and accurately fastened. A do-it-by-yourself wooden mirror and frame can elevate your home decor with its natural beauty, craftsmanship, and the unique characters. By embracing your creativity and using an online platform, you can even turn your passion for woodworking into a profitable business. So gather your tool, select the perfect wood, and embark on a fulfilling journey to create a stunning wood mirror that reflects your personal style and enhance your living space. Consider the characteristic different wood types before you start your project. Hardwood like oak and the walnut offer durability and rich elegant look, while softwood like pine can provide a more rustic and budget-friendly option. Reclaimed wood add a unique and eco-friendly touch, showcase its history and the imperfection